Hello students, our next topic is a poem called The Echoing Green by William Blake. In this poem, William Blake talks about the joys of childhood, especially when someone is in the company of nature. Through this poem, he also showcases the beauty of the spring season. In one of the stanzas, he talks about old people sitting in the garden and remembering their youth. While in the last stanza, the poet tells us how at the end of the day the children get tired and all of them run back to their homes to rest in their mother's lap. So, let's get started with the first stanza. The sun does arise and make happy the skies. The merry bells ring to welcome the spring. The skylark and thrush, the birds of the bush, sing louder around to the bell's cheerful sound, while our sports shall be seen on the echoing green. The poet wants to tell us that when the sun rises, it spreads all its brightness everywhere and makes the sky bright and happy. While in the church, the bells are ringing merrily to welcome the spring season. Birds like skylark and thrush, along with sparrows, are all singing loudly in the sky. In this way, all the creatures are happily welcoming the spring season. On the other hand, we can see some children playing in green fields. Old John, with white hair, does laugh away care, sitting under the oak among the old folk. They laugh at our play, and soon they all say, such were the joys when we all, girls and boys, in our youth time were seen on the echoing green. In this stanza, there is an old man named John having white hair. He is shown sitting in the same park where the kids are playing along with his group of friends who are also old. Seeing the kids playing carelessly, the old people have forgotten about their worries too. They are laughing and enjoying themselves. They tell the children that when they were small, they too used to play a lot of games in the same garden. Till the little ones weary, no more can be merry. The sun does descend, and our sports have an end. Round the laps of their mothers, many sisters and brothers, like birds in their nest, are ready for rest, and sport no more seen on the darkening green. Now, it has become dark as the sun has set. The children are tired as they have played all day, and now they are ready to head towards their respective homes. After going back to home, they sleep in their mother's lap and relax. The same way, birds too went back to their nests to take rest. So, the park is deserted because there is nobody seen in the park. So, with this, we have come to an end of this poem. I hope you understood the poem. Thank you.